How to connect TikTok Pixel to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it's done the easy way. So in order to do so, first from our Shopify point of view, we want to just go to apps and we want to go to the app store. So just click on all recommended apps and then just click on Shopify app store. Once you're in here, just go ahead and search up Parkour TikTok Pixel. And you should be able to find this one right over here. It's for free and you can just go ahead and click on install once you actually find it. Go ahead and click on install one more time. And now from this page, you simply just want to click on TikTok Pixel from the left panel here. And then you just want to click on activate. This is going to take you to your theme editor where you will need to enable the app itself. So just go ahead and enable it from here. Click on save from the top right and exit this page. Go back to the app and click on TikTok Pixel one more time. And now it should say app status is off. So just go and make sure that it is turned on by clicking on this button right here. Great. So next step is going to be adding the actual pixel and connecting it with your TikTok. So click on add pixel from the top right. And then you simply just want to click on connect, which is going to basically allow you to connect your TikTok account to your Shopify. Once you connect your account, you simply just want to select the business account, and then we're just going to select the actual pixel, and you should be able to find a list of the pixels that are available in that specific account. So I'm just going to go for this one. Now in here, you're just going to select which pages you want to track using the pixel. So I'm just going to leave it as all pixels, all pages, sorry. Next, if you want to set up the conversion API, which is highly recommended, it's you want to basically add the access token in here. And to get the access token, you want to go to your business.tiktok.com account. Once you're in here, you simply just want to go to the events manager. You want to go to data sources and select your pixel. Once you select the pixel, you just want to go to settings and then just scroll down until you find the key generation. There you go. It's within the events API. Just go ahead and click on generate access token. And you simply just want to copy it and go back to your Shopify store and simply just go ahead and paste it in here. Once this is done, you simply just want to click on save from the top. And you can actually see that your status for this pixel is now active. And this is it for this video. So hopefully you found this video to be informative. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.